We are going to end. We have come to the end of the prose mark. This prose work remains one of the best work of English romanticism called heroic vitalism. Totally, he has given 6 lectures. He delivered the speech to London audience in the year 1840s. So all these 6 lectures were made soundly based on the ideas of making history. So in this book, Thomas Carroll, he writes about what are the things he wondered and he inspired. Okay, that is the main concept of the conclusion. Patma. See, this work has received mixed reviews. Like most 19th century historians and philosophers, Carroll promotes the notion that progress is good and inevitable. See, girls, the 19th century works are very notion and philosophers, and this never brings contemporary. It cares only for about the society progress. Hero as a poet is one of the best work of Thomas Carroll, which brings about hero who turns into a poet, and how come a poet turns as a hero in the historical aspect. Next. In the poem, The Hero as a Poet, the author begins his historical survey with the hero. He starts with the survey with the hero as a prophet. The first survey started with the prophet. So he refers the poet heroes are born, not made. See, he refers that the soldiers begins to the historical survey. They are the person who never cares about anything, and with the hero as a prophet, they refers to the poet hero, and they have made and they have not made anything. Next, he proudly labels Shakespeare a romantic visionary man who cannot be analyzed but only adored. Shakespeare was not for the analysis, he was for the adored. Adored means inspired. So why he writes about William Shakespeare? Because he got many suffered heroically himself. So that is the reason beautiful creation has as such Hamlet or Macbeth. Due to the various sufferings he was put himself in the historically. So these are the conclusion part of the prose work. So girls, here I have completed 2 full units for the first CIA. You have multiple choice questions. You have to attend all the questions. You have only 2 hours to write and you have 25 questions to answer. So each question carries 20 mark. So the first unit and the second unit are the syllabus for the upcoming CIA test. If you have any doubt regarding CIA or anything, maybe you can contact me, ma. You can contact me, and first 2 units you have 6 poems, 4 detail and 2 non-detail comes in the first unit, and in the second unit we have the prose work. So totally we have 2 units for the first CIA test. Okay, so girls, I request everyone to take note of the classes, Google classes, and what we teach here. It will be very helpful for you. So kindly listen and make your first CIA as a far better and good for the semester assessment marks. So I wish everyone to stay home, stay safe, and go digital, girls. So here I'll end up. If you have any doubt in the prose work, you can text me in the comment box. I'll be teaching you once again if it is necessary. If you are clear with the points, you can give me a comment there itself. So thank you, girls. See you tomorrow. Kindly go through, be serious of your CIA and write well. Thank you, girls.